This is the adjustable downspout adapter by Aquabarrel, a newly patented product in 2025. So when it comes to you pull the two pieces apart, and we're going to line up this flat spot with this raised area inside of the adapter. And we're just going to go ahead and sandwich these two together. And for whatever reason, in this case, our downpipe was cut either a little too short, or maybe we didn't bring our drain pipe up quite high enough to make it easy to get a regular downspout adapter into place without having to do a whole lot of wiggling. So all we're going to do is make sure that as we go, in this case, we're going into smooth wall. So these tabs on the side are going to push in out of the way as we go down. If you had corrugated pipe, the little notches on the side would grab the corrugation as you push down. So we're going to go ahead and push this little guy into place. In this case, because this is a fairly tight fit, I'm just going to push in a little bit to be able to push down. And I've rotated it so that it's more close against the wall. And now all I have to do is bring my piece of downpipe over, make sure it's lined up reasonably well, and all I'm going to do now is pull up and on the ratchet or the ladder system, whichever it is that you want to call that, and now we are connected. It was that fast, that simple. No extra monkeying around, just bring the top unit up out of the bottom base, and now we're connected that easily. That is the adjustable downspout adapter by Aquabarrel.